In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename invoice title in Gohighlevel. We'll be working inside your Gohighlevel account settings, and this is a very simple adjustment once you know exactly where to go. If you want your invoices to display a different title, maybe for branding, clarity, or to better match your business style, this is where you can update it. Start by opening Gohighlevel and landing on the main dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where you will find the main navigation menu for your account. From that left side menu, click on Payments. This will take you into the Payments area where you can manage invoices and related settings. After the page loads, move your attention to the top right-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. This is the section where invoice display options and preferences are controlled. Once you're inside Settings, look again toward the left-hand side. You'll see a menu with different payment-related configuration options. From that menu, click on Title, Terms, and Layout. This section is specifically where you can customize how your invoices appear. Now look for the area labeled Invoice Title and Terms. This is the part of the settings page that lets you change the title shown on your invoices. In the title field, delete the current invoice title that's already there. Make sure you remove only the existing title text so you don't accidentally change anything else on the page. After that, type in the new invoice title you want to use. You can make this as simple or as branded as you like, depending on how you want your invoices to appear to clients. It's a good idea to keep the title clear and professional so it's easy for recipients to understand what they're looking at. As you enter the new title, you'll be able to see the preview below. This is helpful because it lets you quickly confirm how the updated invoice title will actually look on the invoice layout. If needed, you can adjust the wording until it appears exactly the way you want. And that's it. That's how you rename the invoice title in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, always check the preview before leaving the page so you can be confident the title looks polished and matches your brand. If this walkthrough helped, you can use the same settings area later to review other invoice presentation options as well.